Passengers, today I am flying SriLankan Airlines Economy Class from Colombo through to Melbourne. I left Colombo Airport today as everyone is heading back to Australia as holidays are over. Just came out of check-in, it was packed. Lots of people waiting in the lines, and each person taking nearly 10 minutes due to baggage weight issues mostly. I had to wait 15 minutes because they wanted my credit card details, which I used to pay for this flight, and I didn't remember which card I used, so I had to spend time at the desk trying to find which card I used. Whilst I take you to the gate, I'll tell you a bit about this flight. Flight time is 10 hours and 15 minutes, and scheduled for a 12:30 a.m. departure. I am seated in the very first row of economy class in a right window seat. The flight today will be on one of their Airbus A330-300 aircraft. Today's flight is completely full, from economy class to business class. The line when I started recording. Before this, the line was super long, nearly up to the length of the gate area. To be expected with a full flight. At Colombo Airport, they conduct 3 security checks, one when entering the airport, one before check-in, and a final check at the gate. Welcome on board. My seat is 20K. At my seat, a touchscreen coming out of the side, as well as my tray table from the armrest. Screen is 10.5 inches wide. Had very good legroom.
Around your waist, insert the fitting into the buckle and tighten the buttonhole strap. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft, as this would impede your exit. As you leave the aircraft, inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs downwards. Should the vest not inflate, immediately hand the rubber tube. The tube in under 2 years, should there be a loss of cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will automatically drop to the panel above your head. Having a nose mask with it and tightening the elastic button remain seated and do not remove the mask until you pass the seat. Adults should put on their masks before it is introduction.
The departure time got delayed by about 15 to 20 minutes, so we ended up taxi ING to the runway at around 12:45 a.m. Enough from me, enjoy the takeoff from this Airbus A330-300 out of Colombo, Sri Lanka. sausage with fruit salad. Also very appetizing. At this point, we were about 20 minutes from landing, crossing over the farming systems of Victoria. To conclude, a fantastic flight. The crew seemed quite nice, the in-flight entertainment was great, and the meals for economy class were top-notch. SriLankan Airlines has had it tough over these last 4 years in my opinion. First the Easter bombings, then the COVID-19 pandemic, and an economic crisis which they are still recovering from. But it's so heartening as a passenger to see that their staff, whether on board or on ground services doing the catering, are still persevering. I hope more people consider SriLankan Airlines when they are flying not only to Sri Lanka, but also from Australia to countries like the UK, France, UAE, just to name a few.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, check out my video on ongoing flight from Melbourne to Sydney on Airbus business class. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment any thoughts on the video. I love to hear your feedback, both positive and negative. See you soon.